Kaizer Chiefs family and all football lovers, welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. Here we discuss each and everything that happens in our favorite team. Cosi Nation, today I come bearing bad news. It is with great sadness that I announce to you the players that are officially leaving Kaizer Chiefs. I am well aware that most of the fans were not happy with some of these players, but we cannot shy away from the fact that the 10-year trophy drought ended because of these so-called players. Today, we celebrated winning a trophy because of these players. So their hard work and dedication cannot go unnoticed. They played a huge role uh, in Kaizer Chiefs ending up winning the Nedbank Cup. So for that, we salute them. Okay, here are the players that are leaving Kaizer Chiefs. The first one is Sabelo Hadebe, who was the Kaizer Chiefs attacking midfielder. Sabelo, we wish you well on your future endeavors. Number 2 is Edmilson Dove, who played as a defender in Kaizer Chiefs. Dove is a foreigner in South Africa, which I think is part of the reasons why he is being released from Kaizer Chiefs to open the foreign spot. Another reason would be his injuries. He gets injured a lot. Dove, your hard work and dedication didn't go unnoticed. We wish you well on your future endeavors. Number 3 on our list is Njabulo Blom. Njabulo is going back to his mother team as he was on loan at Kaizer Chiefs. Njabulo, thank you very much for serving at Kaizer Chiefs. Number 4 on the list is Fiacre Ntwari, the Rwandan international goalkeeper. We expected a lot from him, but he just didn't deliver. Fiacre, thank you very much for serving at Kaizer Chiefs. We wish you well on your future endeavors. Number 5 is the striker Ranga Chivaviro. I think we all expected that he won't make it to the next season. Hey, the guy was just unfortunate at Kaizer Chiefs. But he did his best. So, his hard work and dedication does not go unnoticed. Thank you very much for serving at Kaizer Chiefs, Chivaviro. All the best in your future. On number 6 is Edson Castillo. We will miss you at Kaizer Chiefs. All the best on your future, Castillo. Your hard work and dedication didn't go unnoticed. Last but not least, at number 7 is George Matlow. His injuries played a negative impact on his future at Kaizer Chiefs. Matlow, we wish you well on your future endeavors. Kaizer Chiefs faithfuls and all football lovers, thank you very much for viewing up to this far. That's all I had for today. Peace.